Yep.
Oh.
We got another fish. Hopefully it's a dang rainbow.
Oh, we got a rainbow.
He's fighting.
Yeah, keep it pull up.
Oh yeah.
Pull up.
Let it fight with it.
That's a damn rainbow.
Keep it pull up. Keep it nice. It's a little bit littler.
That's another rainbow trout.
Wait.
Oh yeah.
Got another one.
Nice fish.
Hell yeah.
Video of
That's
this
a nice
sucker.
one. That's a nice color.
Oh, nice. We're hooking in the mouth too.
Hold on.
Here.
Move it down here.
Let's put some carbon on this. Nice job, baby.
Yeah, I'm a good, mighty good fisherman.
You want to make another instructional video?
Yeah.
Chill. Stop flipping him over. Yeah, stop flipping him over. He's getting back close to the water.